Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI 2 new RTA 5070 graphics card including Shadow 2X. So friends, the MSI has introduced 18th and 19th model of RTA 5070 model. So friend, MSI new Shadow 3X and Shadow 2X models that were not previously presented. The Shadow 3X feature an all black design from MSI and which we covered is separate article, and what's new is dual fan version that was shown for the first time. On paper, this card is essentially a smaller version of Shadow 3X featuring two fans instead of three. Even the clock speed are the same and reaching up to 2557 MHz through MSI Center software and up to 2542 MHz out of the box. And the Shadow 2X has no RGB, there is no control over that, and despite the changes in cooler size, the card still features the same PCB with a 12-volt 2x6 power connector and 2.5 slot thickness. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.